Alrighty, so it is Monday, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. It is Sugar Bear's famous hash. We have some potatoes, bacon, red onion, green pepper. I put sriracha on this, and then he fries an egg. And look at that fried egg action. I know, it looks delicious. But thank you so much for tuning into this video, and this will be a what I eat for breakfast in a week. So this is what I'm having for Tuesday. It's just some Avocado Toast. I have avocado and lemon with some garlic salt and onion powder, salt and pepper. And then I have some feta cheese on top with some everything but the bagel. I made it homemade. I don't even know if it tastes the same, but it's good. And I have it all on some potato scallion bread. Homemade, absolutely delicious. And this is what I'm having for Tuesday. Hey everyone, so it is Wednesday morning and Sugar Bear had the day off, so guess what that means? We get Eggs Benedict. I could eat Eggs Benedict every single day of my life. He poaches the eggs so perfectly, and this is Canadian bacon. Not the Canadian bacon you see when Americans talk about it. This right here is Canadian bacon. It's also called pimeau. Then we just have an English muffin and his homemade hollandaise sauce. If you want to know how to make hollandaise sauce, just let me know in the comments below. But this is what I'm having for Wednesday's breakfast. Happy Valentine's Day! This is what Sugar Bear made me. They are little heart pancakes to go along with my heart-shaped nails. He also bought me the most beautiful blue orchid as well. But he made me these little, look at how cute those are. These little heart pancakes dyed pink so that they match my nails, like I said. And I'm going to be smothering them with syrup. But I wanted to film them without the syrup so that they didn't lose their beautifulness. But this is what I'm having for Valentine's Day brekkie, and I hope you had a really great Valentine's Day. Happy Friday, everyone. It is breakfast. I made some sourdough avocado toast. Sourdough bread, toasted, buttered. Avocado with lemon juice, garlic salt, onion powder, salt and pepper. And then on top, I just have some feta. I have my homemade everything but the bagel seasoning. I think I did it, guys. I think I did it. And then just some chili flakes, feta cheese, and more salt and pepper. But that is what I'm having for breakfast.